too much because I think that it looks like it's gonna happen. Like, play it cool, Bud Bundy.